Hey everyone! Have you ever shifted gears and felt your transmission hesitate or refuse to engage properly? Or maybe your check engine light is on, and your car isn't shifting as smoothly as it should? If your scan tool shows P0814, transmission range display circuit malfunction, then you need to watch this. In this video I'll explain what P0814 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the sensors and components that could be causing this issue. Let's dive in. What is P0814? The P0814 trouble code indicates a problem in the transmission range display circuit, which is responsible for showing the correct gear selection on your dashboard. Common symptoms of P0814. Gear indicator on the dashboard flickers or displays the wrong gear. Delayed or rough shifting. Check engine light or transmission warning light. Failure to engage certain gears, especially reverse or drive. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the key components that might be failing. To diagnose P0814, focus on these critical components. Transmission range sensor or gear position sensor location, mounted on the side of the transmission, usually near the shift linkage. Function, detects the gear selected and sends the signal to the ECU and dashboard. Instrument cluster or dashboard display. Location, inside the vehicle behind the steering wheel. Function, displays the selected gear. If faulty, it might show the wrong gear or flicker. Transmission Control Module or TCM. Location, typically near or attached to the transmission, sometimes under the hood or inside the vehicle near the center console. Function, processes gear selection data and ensures smooth shifting. Shift selector assembly or gear shift mechanism. Location, inside the cabin where the gear lever is located. Function, sends the driver's gear selection input to the TCM, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the TRS, TCM, dashboard and shift selector assembly. Function, transfers electrical signals. Any damage can lead to incorrect gear display or shifting problems. Common causes of P0814, faulty transmission range sensor, sends incorrect gear position data, leading to shifting problems. Defective instrument cluster or dashboard display, might not show the correct gear due to an internal failure. Shift selector malfunction, worn out gear shifter components can send incorrect signals. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Loose or broken connections can prevent proper communication between components. Failed transmission control module. If the TCM malfunctions, the transmission may not respond correctly. Software issues. In some cases, a simple ECU TCM reprogramming can fix the issue. How to fix P0814. Step 1. Check the transmission range sensor. Use a multimeter to test its output and replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the dashboard display. If the gear indicator is flickering or incorrect, it might need repair. Step 3. Check the shift selector assembly. Ensure the gear lever is functioning correctly. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 5. Test the transmission control module. If other issues persist, a TCM replacement or reprogramming may be required. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the P0814 code and verify the fix with a test drive. Final words. A P0814 code in the transmission range display circuit can cause gear selection issues, shifting problems, and dashboard errors. By checking the TRS, dashboard display, wiring, TCM, and shift selector assembly, you can properly diagnose and fix this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0494, cooling fan speed circuit low. P0495, cooling fan speed circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.